Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake, and today we're taking a deep dive into something seriously next level in the home theater game, the JMGO N1S Ultimate Triple Laser 4K Projector, and yes, it comes bundled with two rechargeable active 3D shutter glasses. So if you're looking for that premium cinematic experience at home, you might want to stick around. Alright, so let's talk first impressions. The JMGO N1S Ultimate doesn't just look futuristic, it feels like a piece of sci-fi tech. The sleek, compact form factor is built like a high-end gadget you'd expect from the future of entertainment. The all-metal finish, precision design, and minimalistic aesthetic really scream premium, and when you power it on, it only gets better. Now under the hood, this thing is a triple-color laser projector, not your average LED or single laser. We're talking pure RGB triple laser tech, which means this thing can produce seriously accurate colors with insane brightness. It's pushing out a native 4K resolution at 3840 by 2160, and yes, it supports HDR10 and HLG, so you're getting that full contrast punch and dynamic range, deep blacks, bright whites, and rich color detail. And speaking of color, the JMGO N1S covers 110% of the pinpoint 2020 color gamut. That's more than your typical cinema-grade projector. What that means in plain English, the visuals are stunning. Like, almost too good for a projector. Skin tones are natural, color transitions are smooth, and nothing looks overprocessed. Let's talk brightness, because what good is all that color accuracy if the image is dim, right? Well, the N1S Ultimate delivers up to 3000 NSI lumens. That's bright enough for day viewing in a semi-lit room, but where it really shines is in a dark home theater space. You're getting that punchy, immersive projection that genuinely rivals a high-end OLED experience. Now, one of the most underrated features of the N1S is the gimbal-like motorized gimbal stand. It's motorized, so setup is super intuitive. Just plop it down, power it up, and it auto-calibrates. Keystone correction, focus adjustment, screen fit, all handled automatically. It's smart, it's fast, and it makes using this projector totally hassle-free. On the audio side, JMGO didn't cut corners. The N1S Ultimate has built-in Dynaudio speakers, which are tuned for cinema-grade acoustics. You get spatial surround sound that actually fills the room. It's loud, clear, and has solid bass for a projector this size. Of course, if you're a full audio enthusiast, you can still hook it up via eARC or Bluetooth to your surround system, but straight out of the box, this is better than most soundbars people pair with TVs. Let's jump into the gaming and latency side of things real quick. If you're planning to hook up your console or PC, you're gonna love this. The N1S supports low latency input with around 15 milliseconds response time in game mode. So whether you're gaming in 4K or 1080p, there's virtually no lag. Now what about content? You're looking at full Android TV 11, pre-installed with access to Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and more. And the interface is smooth, no lag, no stutter. It's snappy and intuitive. Plus, with Chromecast built-in, AirPlay support, and dual-band Wi-Fi, you can stream content from almost any device, anytime. Okay, so now let's talk about what takes this setup from awesome to ultimate, the active 3D shutter glasses that come included. These aren't some cheap afterthought. They're rechargeable, lightweight, and sync effortlessly with the projector. And trust me, watching a 3D movie on this laser projector? It's immersive. Depth is real, effects pop, and there's no noticeable flicker. It's about as close to IMAX 3D as you can get in your living room. A couple more things that make this projector stand out: silent cooling system, which keeps it running cool without the annoying fan noise. It's whisper quiet even during long movie sessions. There's also multiple I/O options: HDMI 2.1, USB 3.0, LAN, and more. So you're future-proofed, whether you're plugging in a console, external drive, or media server. And battery? Well, this isn't a portable projector with a built-in battery. It's meant to be part of a serious home theater setup. But the glasses? They're rechargeable via USB-C and last several movies per charge. Now if you're looking for cons, here's what I'll say. This isn't the smallest projector. It's compact but not pocket-sized. And the price tag? Yeah, it's a premium device, so you're paying for quality. But if you're a movie lover, a serious gamer, or just someone who appreciates gorgeous display tech, it delivers on all fronts. So, bottom line, the JMGO N1S Ultimate is not just a projector, it's a complete home theater experience in one premium package. From 4K triple laser visuals to Dynaudio sound, Android smart features to immersive 3D. This is the kind of tech that doesn't just entertain, it impresses. If you want to pick one up and get those 3D glasses included, then please visit the link provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the next deep dive. This is Tech Jake, signing off. Catch you in the next one.